Hello and welcome to this brief video on ProjectLibre. What is ProjectLibre? Well, it's an open source and free replacement to Microsoft Project. There's also a cloud-based version which is coming out, but for purposes of this brief intro, I wanted to talk about the client-side version of it. So you can download this piece of software from SourceForge, and by clicking the download button or selecting which variant. So the SourceForge page will try to check to see which operating system you're running and give you the correct download. So it has Windows versions, Mac versions, Linux, cross-platform. Let's get right into the software here. Once you've downloaded and installed it, the software is relatively simple. I'll start off with a File tab. You can create a new project, give it a name, a start date, put notes in there, and the help is quite good as well. The tasks can be entered into the grid, and everything is adjustable with sliders. So it gives you a nice UI in terms of that for what you're trying to enter. So here I've entered some simple tasks and set some durations. You can do half a day. You can do, so if you wanted to do half a day, that's not valid, but let's say 4 hours. .5. So there, that gives you half a day. And it automatically computes for you what that schedule looks like, and you can see it in different views. So the task tab gives you different chart opportunities. So here's a Gantt chart, a network chart, the Gantt, work breakdown, task usage. It's very, very convenient to be able to see the project flow. So with the Gantt chart over here, you have the breakout and you can see the dependencies. Resources tab allows you to add who your resources are. So you could put their names in, you can set all sorts of values for different computations that can come out of it. The view tab is a combination of the resource and the task. There's the opportunity for some charting. So really nice software that can help you break down into a series of steps a project of any type. It could be for work, it could be for home, it could be for fun. It's a nice piece of software that really doesn't force you to have a particular approach, but it gives you enough of a structure that you can see it truly developing and getting to conclusion. So that's ProjectLibre, and I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.